go next. Go ahead, Andrew. Ready?
Around the corner to the left, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Hello.
And then just the one builder, correct?
Just one builder.
All right, you guys are going to be on number 8 for me.
Excellent. Yes. Hello there.
Hello. Lightsaber on this circle.
Good. We've been expecting you. How are you? Excited? So are we, my friend. So are we. We've spent far too long waiting to share this with you, and now is the time. Welcome. Good to see you both. You put those cards right on the conversation. Excellent. I wanted to be here to see your face when you saw this show. Yes. Oh, good. Glad you snuck in. I hope you didn't have any first order entanglements sneaking in. Good.
Well then, welcome to Savi's workshop. Oh, we're so glad you all found us. These are the gatherers that will be assisting you. You may call me Kenbei. So please, take a quick look around.
I know what you're thinking, that all this looks like just a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk. For we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Because we search the galaxy for ancient relics in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring in here. So where a stormtrooper might just see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. For in these times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Oh, I trust you've all heard the legends of Luke Skywalker. Yes, good. We hear there is a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Rey.
Indeed, Rey. A scrapper just like us. And what Rey is now leading? Well, that is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for so long. And that is why you are here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is as elegant as it is enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber then becomes a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. So I think enough talk, yes? Let's begin with perhaps the most important element of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. We've seen these in some of the greatest Jedi legends in our history. For example, the blue crystal, favored by great Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself and Luke Skywalker. Violet, a beautiful and very rare crystal, favored by the powerful Jedi Master Mace Windu. And because there must be balance, red. Often called the Crystal of Power, this was favored by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But all these are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So it's now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. So builders, close your eyes. Indulge me, close your eyes. Picture your kyber crystal in your mind. What color calls to you? Remember, it is likely the crystal itself is choosing you. Good, open your eyes. And select your kyber crystal. Good. Builders can, without any hesitation, carefully place those crystals into those green crystal holders there in front of you. Perfect, right in that little cup. Excellent! It's now time to begin the construction of our hilt. So the gatherers will place before you the selection you previously made, and from there, you will choose the precise components that will comprise your unique lightsaber. The hilt is the foundation of a lightsaber. This is your center of control. It's also the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So looking at the box, yes, that's the chassis. On the other side of the tray, these are activation plates. We'll then select 2 of the 4 grips before affixing a blade emitter, then a pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. The gatherers are here to guide you through every part of the process. So builders, let me ask you, are you ready?
Yeah.
Good, then let's build.
Under there, almost like a trampoline. Push up as far as you can. And then I like to use my pointer finger to push it in so it's nice and straight. Good job. You hold it up like this so I can take a look. Beautiful. Nice work. Can you take a look at this one? Great. All right, now so next we're going to go to your right hand side one more time. Turn all the way to the right arm. And then we're going to use one step. And activation. There's another set of squares on your gray chassis. So you're going to match those on top of each other, okay? So red square and red square. You're going to match it up and push it together. Nice and strong. Very good.
There you go. You've got those colored squares matched up in theory, the plate should smash together.
Great. We got the colors lined up on top of each other, red on red, blue on blue.
Ah, you notice mine.
Crystal containment chamber. Just line up on there.
You see where I found this? What's left to share the
Make sure we get those colors lined up like we talked about. The red square here. So go on this red square, okay? Want to turn it Take back to your left. Two of your favorite colors. You need one on the top and one on the bottom to put your 2 favorites. Alright, so we want the bigger side to push that up.
Is that okay right there? Oh, sorry.
We want the bigger side towards the center. And you're going to push and turn, okay? Push and turn until it's nice and tight. Just like that, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing with one more for the bottom, okay? Right up again. Perfect. Okay, that'll work. Still sounding good. Section 3 for the top. There you go.
So you see the different options, Andrew? Andrew, you see the different options, right? You see the different options?
Together, right on the left. twist with the other one, okay?
Good.
There you go. All right, one more key.
That's tremendous. Well done.
It's at the very
If you
bottom,
wish to give that activation switch a practice or get the feel of the saber, you carry on.
One more. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
How does it feel? Looks amazing. And that wood on the top grip there,
Let's
that
try
wood
it
is all the
upside
way
down.
from
See how there's a little bit of a gap there?
Wookiees' whole planet. They use that wood for edged weapons because it's a strong steel.
That off for me, okay? There we go.
Yes, and that's when the Jedi Knights were the true guardians of peace and justice in the galaxy. Excellent. Fabulous.
That was amazing, buddy.
That's looking pretty sweet. You like it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
All right. You all set? Yeah. Excellent. Is it okay if I take it out really fast?
Sure.
Some beef, you can get right now.
Violet blade. Good. Good.
So when you make that one
Oh, another beautiful nature saber. Congratulations. Excellent.
Nice job.
And that's all true of yours. Cartesian wood.
Andrew, I love it.
My goodness, that's a powerful Sith example, my friend. I'm sensing some balance in there. What colour crystal did you choose? Oh, the violet blade in it, that's good. That's evocative stuff. Violet blade and a Sith hilt. I think of the tales of Revan I was told as a boy. Oh, my powerful Sith friend. Tremendous. Treats you good beautifully, didn't it? How's it feel? We were asked how that did when we first put it on together. We had to remind ourselves that the Jedi and Sith are wielding their sabers through the rules of the Force. So the weight of that is really not an issue.
Andrew.
Well done, my friend. Excellent. And another beautiful nature hilt. What colour crystal did you put in yours? Yes, and yourself? A red in that, that's unusual. I love it! My friends, congratulations. We've completed these amazing hilts and nothing catastrophic or traumatic has happened. Yet. So I would ask you to now please take a giant step back. Thank you, my friends, just for a moment. For this is the most dangerous part of this process, as this skilled team of gatherers will prepare your hilts for their initial activations in our crystal stabilization chambers. Now, are you ready to take your first steps into a larger... What's happening?
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Then yes, it is indeed time. Time for the bond between Builder and Saber to be forged. In just a moment, I'll ask the Builders to take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of their lightsaber. Then on my signal, my friend, you will activate them for the first time. So hold fast, but Builders, are you ready? Yes? Then take a step forwards. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber and activate. And raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber! Like the Jedi's and Sith before you could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Excellent. Builders, deactivate and lower the saber.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you now hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we're pleased to offer you all a saber sheath. In a moment, I'll dismiss you one group at a time, for our time is now at an end. Yours is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy, for you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, next time, we could be telling your stories. Raise your sabers and activate. It has been a privilege, my friends. Would you be the first group to please head back to the outpost? And well done.
Andrew, activate. Come on.
Good. You're able to continue your adventures, my friends. Make sure you have your Holocene report. And keep the head around with this
Ladies first, okay? You're all set.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. And they're gonna go with Blade first, okay?
What'd you think, Andrew?
That was so much fun.
I can help you over here. Oh, it's raining.